What's the meaning of centralize? Centralize. Centralize.
Centralize. Centralize. The word centralize refers to the process of consolidating authority, decision-making, or resources within a single central entity or location. This can result in greater efficiency, as decisions are made more quickly and consistently, and resources can be allocated more effectively. However, it can also lead to increased bureaucracy, reduced autonomy at lower levels, and a lack of responsiveness to local needs or circumstances. Ultimately, the benefits and drawbacks of centralization depend on the specific context and goals of the organization or system in question.